Picture the warmth and charm of an elegant log home. Now picture yourself living there. Merrimack Log Homes can put you in your very own log home for about the cost of a conventional one. Or transform your current home with a beautiful TruLog siding and corner system. Build it yourself or let the experts at Merrimack Log Homes do the work. All the materials are milled locally and are backed by over 30 years of experience. Let Merrimack Log Homes help you build your dream home, one log at a time.
So today we're going to cover how to put an electrical box into a log wall. It seems it's one of the biggest questions we're asked is, and people think that it's difficult, but it really is quite simple. So what I have here is a metal gangable electrical box. I like it because it has the tabs on the bottom and the top, and then once the box gets recessed in the log, we can tack it with a couple of small nails to hold it. So we'll get started by deciding where in your log you're going to need it. We've already decided that. And we're going to set the box on the face of the log. Take a square, square it off, and now we're just going to take a pencil and outline the box like so. We want the cuts to be larger on the width of the box to compensate for these little tabs. So what I usually do is I usually go a good 1/8 to almost 1/4 of an inch wider than the box on each side. It's pretty forgiving because the electrical plates covers that you use afterwards will cover any gap that you have. So now that we got our 2 lines on each side drawn, I'm going to draw a line on the top. And just so happens that my trusty speed square allows me to do that nice and neatly. The next part I like to do is I like to take a small drill bit and drill out the 2 corners to help me a little bit when I go and chisel it out. Now you can see that I'm favoring more the outside of the line than the inside of the line because again the faceplate is much wider when it's all said and done, and it's going to cover it up. So here we go. Done. We're going to take our skill saw and we're going to cut on these lines here, the outside lines, and we're going to make a bunch of cuts, what are called relief cuts. So here we go. Cuts in here is the question of just taking a nice sharp chisel and taking it, chiseling it out. And I'll start with our line on top and make a couple of relief. And then we can take anything, knock out our piece of wood, and then we can start working away. And if everything works out good, this should slip right in there. Looks like we need to take some more off the top. And there we go.